Hi, it's me. I'm back. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. No, I didn't sing it. I just said it. I got my iPad yesterday. Whoop, whoop. I also got my Archon mount yesterday. Whoop, whoop. And you can save 20% off of yours using my code SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. I haven't even published that anywhere. I haven't even taken my mount out of the box yet. I planned on doing that today and recording a video of it all. I decided not to do an unboxing video of the iPad because I didn't have the pencil. And like I said, that's what I'm going to pick up now, the pencil. But even with all that goodness happening, something bad happened. The air conditioner stopped working again. And the unit that my AC man said that he had, his partner got rid of it. So, and it was like a good price, a really good price. So now he's giving me this crazy expensive price that I cannot afford. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Other than I had already considered getting a portable air conditioner just to see how it was. I mean, if it doesn't work, I can take it back. But then I called my dad for some emotional support this morning about it, and he always seems to have good ideas, and I feel like he's on my side. But anyway, he apparently has several portable air conditioners. I had no idea. I haven't been over there in a long time. But he has several of them, and he keeps one in the garage because my brother and his son, they spend a lot of time in the garage. There's no air or anything like that in there. So he has a portable air conditioner in there and then one in each bedroom. I had no idea. So, and he said that's what he did when his air conditioner stopped working, and that these people are driving crazy. Did you see that? Yeah, he did that until he got his AC fixed, but he said he still uses them until like late in the afternoon when it gets really, really hot. So, but he said he is cooling. He bought all of those for much less than what I was expecting to pay, and that they work. He's got 8,000 BTUs and 10,000 BTUs. So I'm gonna see. I mean, if I don't, I'm gonna get me one today. If it doesn't work, I can just bring it back. So I'm kind of sad about that. I do not like being hot, and with taking the medication that I take, I already sweat. Have a sweating session, like I'm going through the change or something. You know, I could just be sitting down doing absolutely nothing and break out into a dripping sweat. So, and I pretty much, depending on what time I take my medicine, I can pretty much time when that's gonna start. So hopefully this thing, I'm going to Home Depot. I said all of that to say I'm going to Home Depot, and I'm going, there's a lot of people here. Why are so many people up in here? I thought they did that in the morning time. Come to Home Depot. It ain't that early. But yeah. So I'm going to here to see if I can get a portable air conditioner. I'm going to see if it's going to fit in my car. I miss having my truck. I really want my truck back, so that when things like this, oh, I forgot this was up there. So that when things like this occur, I have my truck and I don't have to worry about if stuff is going to fit and all of that. But yeah. So, yes, I got my Archon mount. I'm going to play with that once we get all of this stuff settled, and hopefully be able to play with my iPad and my new, what's it called?
Apple Pencil.
Apple Pencil. I got a second generation. Is that right?
You did?
Yeah.
That's not the right one.
For my iPad?
Yes. That's not the right one. You have to get the first generation. Wait.
No, I got the latest iPad.
But it's not iPad Pro. The iPad Pro, the latest iPad Pro, you have to get the second generation.
But will it work?
I don't think so. No, hold on. You got the 7th generation?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna figure that out. I'll be back. All right, y'all, we're back. We're done with that. We did it. Some man helped us get it in the basket because we were struggling.
We were. They weren't wrong.
And I was like, no, we got it, because, you know, I didn't want him to come close. But he had on a mask, so. What?
You crazy.
Man, shoot, I'm not trying to take no chances.
But we needed help.
But anyhow, also, I was enlightened and found out that I ordered the wrong Apple Pen, and so I canceled the order, and I was going to order the correct one, but alas, they do not have it in stock. They didn't have it in stock in the Target, which is right next door to this Home Depot. They didn't have it in stock at Walmart, which is across the street. So the best alternative was to order from Target, because Target had the quickest shipping date or arrival date, Tuesday. But come to find out, I can use any stylus with it, really. And with all that I'm having to deal with at the moment, that is not like, I don't know, I'm not feeling that creative to be drawing anything right now anyway. So actually, I'm mostly feeling overlooked and left out, because once again, in the Black women shop owners, there's been a list of, you know, other Black owned shops going around, and I have once again been left off the list. This isn't the first, second, and I don't even think it's the third time that's happened. It's just like, I don't know. Maybe it's my fault because people don't know that I have a shop. I don't know. Or maybe, and then that makes you start second guessing. Well, maybe your stuff is garbage. Nobody cares. I don't know. I don't know what it is, why I'm overlooked. It could be because I don't participate and run my mouth in the groups and stuff. I mean, I observe, I do the occasional like. It's just, that's not me. I don't run my mouth like that. And I don't have the need to comment on every little thing. So probably social media is not the best place for me. I like to lurk, but I don't always have to comment on everything somebody posts. So I guess that makes me easy to forget, maybe. I don't know. I was really mad. I used to be really, really mad when that would happen and I would just be left out. But I'm not mad anymore. I think this was like the last straw, and I was just like, you know what? I don't even care. I'm just going to keep my head down and keep pressing forward and doing what I'm doing and figure out what I want to do. So yeah, I was mad at first, but then I was like, you know what? Yeah, you don't need to be a part of that little clique anyway. So, and what's funny is a lot of the shops that they link, I support almost all of them. I shop with almost all of them, or have shopped with them. So, it's whatever. Yes, I'm salty, but I ain't mad. There's a difference. But I got a PDQ right there. I think I slept on it wrong. Yeah, and I fell asleep last night with the light on. Y'all didn't notice?
You did?
Yeah, y'all didn't notice?
The light on in your room?
Yeah.
I was in my room.
Come on, y'all, get out the road. And the kitchen light was left on. And I was like, dang, I fell asleep last night.
I didn't even know. I was just in my room chilling.
I was laying there listening to a YouTube video. People being messy. The next thing I know, Oh, I had started like breaking these up.
Get check at Kohl's for the wallet.
We got a big old air conditioner in the back seat now. Cause I'll be moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Oh, today is Camille's birthday.
It is the 4th. Ugh, she bad now. Her, probably.
Oh, let me see if I can reach her. My dad said he got his air conditioners for like $100 and something. I want to know where he got those from. He don't really remember where he got them from. He said he thinks he ordered them, but ordered them from where? And then he said, he thinks he got one from H.H. Gregg. I've never even been in an H.H. Gregg. Maybe I should go visit one.
New things.
You holding up the line.
They are.
She make no sandwich, but it ain't hot. I guess they're a little bit warm. I guess. Hey. Okay, it's gonna be a rainy day because of Cristobal. Is that his name or her name? Cristobal, the tropical depression that's out in the Gulf, but it's throwing vans way over here to Central Florida. So yeah,
I don't know what's wrong with it.
me neither. Give us time to acclimate to being hot again. Because it's not too hot because there's no sun. And it looks like it's going to be like that for a while because that storm is still far away. I think it's still...
I want to go in there one day.
Plateaus,
something like that, yeah.
That part. I've been in there once with Jazz. I have no need to go in there. I think I tried to sell some shirts that I had.
There?
It's like a thrift shop, but they'll buy clothes. And I had a couple of shirts that I still had the tags on them. That I never wore. But, yeah, that hard. Stop saying that. Anyhow, so yeah, I didn't sleep that good last night. I don't know how I fell asleep watching or listening to YouTube. I wasn't watching it. And I was like all across the bed, no covers. Light on, probably having mouth tore wide open. Who knows? Yeah, and that's why my throat be itchy in the morning. Spiders. So then I woke up and then my stomach started hurting. So I was like, what did I eat that was abnormal that would make my stomach hurt? So good thing I'm keeping a food diary.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, but they shouldn't have made my stomach hurt. I don't know. So it still feels a little hurty, if that's a word. It's coming down now. We're gonna get wet trying to get this thing in the house. Look at the hand truck out the laundry room. I put it on the hand truck. I'm not really killing myself. I already feel stuff starting to ache. See, that's why Nate needs to stay home. So he can help.
I'll get you a handy.
I don't have to pay Nate. I pay Nate in food and room and board. The handyman don't want to be paid. So I guess we did
from one of the dating sites. Be like, I'm looking for a handyman.
Yeah, that's it. I should go check my post office box, but it's raining. It's gonna be raining for days. So yeah, I am kind of cutting myself off a little bit from social media because I can't take it no more. I mean, it's nice to see all the people that are finally getting it, but there is a whole group of hateful, evil people out there that are letting their hateful, evil flags fly. And that disturbs me the most. So I cannot. I already know. That's just disgraceful. What are they afraid of? We've been here all this time. What do they think we're gonna do? I mean, seriously. What are we gonna do? Just some hateful people in this world. It is. It's just some hateful people, and a lot of them hide behind Christianity with their hatefulness. And I'm just like, how can you be this hateful and be? And how can you marry the two? I just cannot. And see, this whole situation, I already was paranoid about about Caucasian people, but now I'm really paranoid about them.
Really out here with no shirt on.
Well, you got caught in the rain. I mean, it's raining. So now I'm really a little standoffish, like the lady at Home Depot that was checking us out. She was an older white lady, and she was talking to me, but while she was talking, I'm thinking, what is she doing? Yeah, what's really going on? Dang. Yeah, I know, it's bad. But I've read and seen a lot, so it makes me really standoffish and like, I don't know. But anyway. It's a sad state of affairs. But I've been listening to music to kind of distract me, so that I don't pay too much attention. And I just did not watch the news yesterday afternoon at all. I caught a little bit this morning, but I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I don't want to know right now. I'm just gonna take a little bit here and a little bit there. It looked like I had rollers in my hair. Oh, it ain't raining. Let's get this thing up out this car right quick.
I know, don't jinx it.
Oh, I just recognized. Let me go get this hand truck right quick. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog. We'll holler at y'all next time. Have a good one. Bye.